Dolly, do you feel like... That's right, Dolly. Hello, good people. She's actually watching some gaming. There's the TV. Really? Love you, Dolly. And pretty girl. Growing your feathers back? Yeah, hello, good people. Oh, pretty girl. Oh, kisses. Kisses. Say hello, good people. Have a happy week, everybody. Yeah, peekaboo, Dolly. And you're a pretty girl. Oh, pitter patter little feet. That's your sister. Oh, you're looking outside. So where her home is good because we've just got the back window here, door out there. So you can open the curtain up during the day. And you look out, don't you? You talk to the other birdies. Hey, Dolly. I love you. Yes, you are a pretty girl. So good night, good people. Good night, good people. Alright, see you guys. Take care. Bye now.